Welcome to the Simple Music Bell Generator project by Telephone Technologies. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a basic bell generator using simple components and technology. The project focuses on generating musical sounds that mimic a bell, offering a fun and educational way to explore sound generation, electronics, and basic circuit design. Throughout the video, we'll walk you through the setup, components, and working principles behind the music bell, making it easy for everyone to follow along and build their own vision. Whether you're new to electronics or looking to expand your knowledge, this project is the perfect starting point for combining creativity with technology. Stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process of building your very own simple music bell generator. The UM66 is a popular integrated circuit used to generate melodies or sound effects commonly found in greeting cards, toys, and various electronic devices. It is often referred to as a music generator, IC, because of its ability to produce musical tones. This UM66 music generator circuit is simple and perfect for school project because easy to build, uses only a few basic components, safe and low power, works on a small 3V supply, making it safe for students, fun and interactive, plays a melody, making it engaging and interesting, teaches electronics, helps students learn about ICs, transistors, and circuits. Components: UM66 music generator IC, transistor BC547 or similar, speaker 80HM or 160HM, resistor 100 OHM or 1K OHM for current limiting, power source 3V or 5V battery. Connections: the UM66 is typically a 3-pin IC, which includes pin 1, connect to positive terminal of the power supply 3V or 5V, pin 2, connect to the ground negative terminal of the power supply, pin 3, connect to the base of the transistor through a 1K OHM resistor. This controls the transistor and amplifies the signal. Corrector of transistor, connect to one terminal of the speaker, emitter of transistor, connect to the ground. The other terminal of a speaker is also connected to GND. The UM66 IC generates the melody as soon as it's powered up. No additional control is needed to start the music. The transistor helps amplify the signal to a drive, a larger speaker. Once you connect the power supply, 3V or 5V, the circuit should immediately play the music. Thanks for watching. I hope this project inspires you and that you now have a better understanding how to use the UM66 Melody IC in your own creations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates, and feel